Go. Go, get them.
Oh, got your vest on. Oh, here we go again. We got a crazy Oklahoma storm rolling in. I'm gonna go out here and fix the pig pen little netting shade cloth. It is going all over the place. If I don't fix it right now, it's going to rip off in this weather. And if you don't know if you can hear it in the background, I live by a racetrack and they are racing. And my wife just called me from Tulsa. She just got off work and she couldn't see. She said it's so dark and black. It's hailing, it's raining. There's some lightning out there. So I'm gonna hurry up and get this fixed and I'm going in the house. But Gabby knows, if you know Gabby's my German Shepherd guard dog. She knows when this weather's turning bad and she does not like it. But I'll show you guys her in a little bit. She's kind of sticking next to me. You can see her. I think some dogs, she don't get like stressed out, but you could tell she knows something's going on. But I got some cereal. I'm gonna get to the pigs. I'll show you guys getting the pigs. I'm gonna fix this little netting. You guys like cereal, huh? There's a peach in there too, an old peach. Thought y'all might like that. They got plenty of feed in there. But anytime I can get scraps, I get scraps. Anytime, this should be common sense, but anytime you can give pigs scraps, give it to them because it saves you feed and money in the long run. It's getting windy out here. If you guys are raising pigs in electric fencing like I got, this is Premier1 Fencing. If you guys are not familiar with Premier1, they do poultry netting, deer netting, all kinds of stuff. I'll try to find some links. I'll put them down below. This stuff is working awesome. I'm trying to prove I can raise these pigs in Premier1 Fencing until the time I get them, until it's time to take them to the processor. And so far, so good. They have not got out. I got a little solar charger back there behind me. And once they hit this a few times, they get an idea, stay away from it. But one thing, if you are raising these pigs in electric fencing like this, he's just laying in there. Look at that thing. Really? You are selfish. Get out of there. Let them other ones eat. But anytime you're raising pigs in electric fencing, they push on everything. And they will push. If you don't get their feeders out of there that aren't attached, that's attached to a T-post. If you do not get it out of there, they will push it up to that fence and even push it through the fence, underneath it, even if it's on. So I got some lightning coming. I got to get this done. So let's get it. Well, you guys made a quick work of that, didn't you? You can see all I did is run some string through there. I probably should have done it from day one, but I didn't. I didn't have enough string at the time. I went and bought some. Now that should do the trick for now. I'm probably gonna end up order another one to have on hand because this actually did start to rip a little bit over there, but it's serving a purpose. Now, if I would have done, I probably need to put a couple more T-posts in there to really get it down tight. But I think this string right here is gonna hold up for a while. It's gonna be good. But the pigs are doing awesome. You can see they're about to get some rain. Pigs love the rain. Not necessarily playing in it, but once it gets down and gets their mud hole, they love the mud holes. They gotta have it, protection from the sun. So let's take a look at them. I gotta get this feeder out here before I get off here. What up? Here, you can finish the rest of it on the ground. There you go. There you go. Gabby, where you at, Gabs? They want to see you. You okay? Storm coming? Is there a storm coming? Come on, let's go. You on the prowl? Go find him. Come on, go get him. Huh? Okay, I need to clean the quail cages, but the storm is rolling in right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this bedding up, and I'll just have to do it tomorrow. They're calling for more rain tomorrow too, but hopefully it's not till in the evening. Let's collect some of these eggs. Get some right here. There's 2 days worth of eggs. That's not an egg, that's a turd. Quail need to be cleaned. They need to be cleaned bad. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. The storm is rolling in. Come on, Gabby. You wanna go inside, Gabby? You wanna go in? Let's give Gabby a couple of quail eggs. She likes quail eggs. Come here. Come on. She likes some quail eggs. Good? Is it good, Gabby? Okay, the storm is here, about to rain them. Let's go in the house. I got some pickled quail eggs I want to show you guys. That they've been in there for about a week now. I actually tried one earlier and it was really good, but I'm gonna try another one for y'all on camera and talk a little bit how I did it and what all's in there. Come on, guys. She's in there trying to get more eggs. Gabby loves eggs. It's awesome. I give her a little treat, much as I can. Anytime she's out there checking chickens or quail with me, she always gets an egg. Let her in. Let her in. Let's go on. Let us in. Open the door.
Good, Gabby.
Gabby, get off the carpet. That's creepy, Hopi. They're just standing by themselves. What do you got there? What is that? That's funny. Huh, Gabby? What you doing, Gabs? What you doing? Hey, before I show you guys the pickled quail eggs, me and Hayden, if you guys aren't familiar with me, I got an Instagram. It's called Keeping It Dutch with 2 H's. Go check it out. I post a lot of stuff with the girls, Brandy and me, myself, just things around the farm that we do. But last night, me and Hayden been tinkering around with making some candles, and we came up with this little candle. It's a peach. What kind was it, Hayden?
Peach.
Peach what though? It was like peach.
Peach. Peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream. Smell it.
Oh.
It smells pretty good. But yeah, Daniel told me, he said, hey, you need to get Hayden do something like Emily's doing a side business, because Hayden is a lot like Emily when it comes to this. She's always wanting to sell slime. I mean, doing all this stuff. And Hayden's like, hey, Dad, what about candles? And I was like, that's a really good idea. I happened to just see an article on people making candles, homemade candles, and selling them. We haven't made, this is our first one. We got some more scents coming in. But if you guys might be interested in buying a candle from Hayden, leave me a comment down below if that's something you're interested in, because we're just kind of tinkering around with it right now. We actually bought some sugar cookie ones that we're trying to do. And it's a really fun project for the kids to get involved with. I'm going to get the other two involved once we get everything figured out, get on a good little rotation. But if something you guys might be interested in getting from Hayden, leave a comment down below and then they'll give us an idea. Yes, people are interested in this stuff. Hayden, you got anything to say?
Check out my YouTube channel, Hayden Riley.
Okay, I got the quail eggs out. They've been in there a week, like I said. I tried one yesterday, really good. I'm going to try one for you guys, then I'm going to let Gabby try one. Hold on. What are you doing, Gabby? What are you doing? What are you doing? These storms got you. What do you got all over my hand? What is that? You nasty. You nasty. All right, let's try this. That's pretty dang good. We got the vinegar taste, which is with the hint of spice. It's just really good. It's sweet. Man, that is. I'm impressed. For my first pickled quail eggs, that actually turned out really well. We'll walk in here real quick and show you what I put in it. I don't know the exact measurements right offhand, but I'll show you what we got. So this is what I use pretty much it right here. Old Bay, some vinegar, some yellow mustard seed. Is there something else in there? Yeah, I used some red crushed peppers. But that's it. That was pretty much it. Just now I got this pickling seed, so I'll be using that in the next ones. But that was easy and tastes great. So that was pretty easy to do. Let's give Gabby one. All right, hold on. Can you shake? Good girl. Good girl. You want a treat? You want a treat? Easy.
Good girl.
Was it good? You want to try one, Hope? You want to try one of them eggs?
Where are they?
They're right here. You want to try one? I like your lipstick.
Hey.
You want to try one?
No.
Okay. You like that, Gabby? That's your little treat. Maybe that'll calm you down for the storm. I know you don't like the storms. You're a good girl, though.
You're bleeding.
No, not where. No, that's the pepper.
Oh.
You want to try it? That's from the garden. Try it.
Wash it.
Try it.
Can wash it.
I did wash it earlier. Ain't good? Okay, I'm going to get off here before the electric goes out, because anytime we got a storm coming in, it usually seems like the power goes out. That's why I want to go solar bad. Come on, Gabby. I'll come out here and show you that it's starting to rain now. You can hear the thunder. Hear the thunder? The racetrack. They're going to have to call them races off pretty quick. That is some crazy thunder. So the storm has rolled through. I'm gonna get off here, guys. Thanks for watching the little vlog. Grab it, hurry, grab it. Thanks for watching this quick vlog. I've got the pig pen set up. We got Gabby under control. She is one of the best. What are they doing? How to get back in here? It's storming. She's getting out there, getting all their little babies. What's that chair doing out here? Anyways, Gabby's doing good. She does not like the storms, but hope we don't lose power tonight. You can hear them races going like crazy. We never go to them. You guys like races? All right, guys, hope you liked this video. I want to show you guys feeding the pig some cereal and fixing that little pig pen, and then the pickled quail eggs. The pickled quail eggs were awesome. Gabby approved. Gabby liked them. And if Gabby likes them, then they're okay. You guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe right there and click that little bell for notifications. When you click it, you got to click I want all your notifications. So thanks a lot, guys. Hope you guys do it. Catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.